Do you know that there are natural and reverse figures in waltz? Natural figures when you're turning to the right, and reverse figures when you're turning to the left.
And when we dance it, we are using different approach to dance natural figures and reverse figures. So we are taking natural figure, natural turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When I'm taking count 2 and count 3, I'm moving my left side and left foot forward to the left side at the same time. If we're going to use the same approach for reverse figures, my left side, or Oksana's left side, coming out, and this has become very uncomfortable. Let me demonstrate incorrect way. So I'm on my right, and now we are taking step, and Oksana taking the left side away from me. Now I'm moving my left side. Doesn't look so comfortable and cool. So big question, how to do it together when we're talking about reverse figures. Person who is taking step backward, keeping left side close. Don't move your upper body. We're turning only a lower body, let's say our feet and our legs. So upper body turning later. Most important for us, if we keep it left side, for person who is going back, Oksana in this case first, or me second. So we keep it in close position, turning only our feet. Take a look. So reverse figure. Oksana keeping left side close. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm moving my feet, but guys, you can see I'm keeping my left side close. And 1, 2, 3. Definitely it's way more comfortable and it looks nice. So one more time, when we're taking natural figures, we are moving our lower body, our feet and legs, and upper body at the same time. And when we're taking reverse figures, we are moving our feet and legs, our lower body, and upper body after that. Don't turn your upper body, especially left side, when you're taking a step forward. Let me demonstrate natural figures first. 1, 2, 3. Left side forward. 4. Oksana. Left side. Left side. Oksana's left side. And reverse turn. We're going to do a reverse figure. Oksana keeping the left side in the close position, moving only feet. 1, 2, 3. Only my feet. 3. Oksana keeping left side close. I'm keeping my left side close. Right? Thank you guys.